So we are closing these areas, you can see, because maybe there is a chance of more rain in coming days. So now we are taking more precautions, and at the same time we will try to level best how to Welcome friends, Favaz with you from Shaastec International. We build warehouses with a lot of passion. Today is a nice climate, but yesterday was not that much good, because we excavated the area and put our foundations and everything, and unfortunate flood happened yesterday. So I just want to show you what actually is the situation right now in the site, because from all that areas water flooded towards our this digs. So let's have a look that one. So I will tell you how we are managing this one. So these areas is already barricaded. These areas are barricaded. So what is your plan is, first of all, using this vacuum tanker, we will suck all this water, and at the same time simultaneously we will put this pump also. So both will work together. So that is this area's plan. Then after that one, once everything is this water everything is emptied, then we will clean that foundations, and along then using the wire brushes we clean this steel rebar also. That is the situation of here. In the same situation here also. So same like we will remove this one, because fortunately we didn't put any shutters or anything here. We just started yesterday, but due to this flood we stopped here. So we will remove all these wooden planks and plywoods and everything, then dewater all this area. So that is here. You can see that one, all the waters came from that area. This is somewhat little down, so that is why all the water flooded towards. So now the tanker just arrived here, and in other area we are setting this vacuum pump also. You see this some foundations are perfectly okay, because most of the water is absorbed already. So in case of this area, what happened, through these channels all the waters came inside. So same like that one, we will using the tankers and with the vacuum pumps we will make this area empty. We will suck all these waters and everything. Then after that one, we will remove these shutters that we already placed yesterday. Then we will clean that foundations and this rebars also. Then everything is okay. Then after that one, we will check with our surveyor whether all the foundations and everything is in on place. So this area you can see, along with the waters, mud also came through that area. Now we are closing that one, because yesterday was it was a sudden rain and we couldn't barricade that area. So that is why this happened. So anyway, what is our plan is, with using these excavators and JCBs, we will remove this mud, and using the manpower, that means manually also we will remove. Of course it will take anyhow it will take 1 week, I am sure, but we will try our level best to make it same like as it before. Then we will check all the integrity of these foundations and everything. Then only we're gonna start this. We're gonna restart this work. So like that we are planning. So let's hope best. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Keep sharing. Thank you.